Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to reset paper password on your phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up, log into your PayPal account. So having opened up your PayPal account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. So it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on security. Just like so, it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create or update your password. So right here, you need to enter your current password right here. Then you have to move to the next paragraph right here, enter your new password. Then confirm it. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on change password. Your password is updated. You have successfully changed your password. We will log in out. Simple as that. Now you can simply log in with your new password. Simply tap on here and enter the new password. Then click on login. So it's going to take you right here. Now you can also log in with face, fingerprints, or PIN, etc. So if you would like to enable that, simply click on continue. If you don't want that, simply click on skip for now. And you will be taking it back to your account. So you can navigate to the top right here and go back to the home page, just like so, and you are back to your account. So this is how to simply reset your PayPal password on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.